Today, we will show our program, Reality Theft, Family, Omali Rahmon, in the field of healthcare. What I am saying about our healthy citizens, listen carefully, and how our people have put you in a terrible state. Omali Rahmon, the founder of medical terrorism, the beginning. A person's life in the 21st century begins in a hospital. The first breaths of a newborn are also in a hospital. The health of citizens is very important in all countries. From this point of view, the health of the population of a state is very important for a healthy state and care for its citizens. We called the article medical terrorism. But what does the word terror mean? If we look at the dictionary, the main goal of terrorism is to violate public safety, which is expressed in attacks on the life and health of citizens, important infrastructure facilities, the natural environment, the information environment, government agencies, the public and officials. Everyone knows that causing harm to the health of citizens is considered a terrorist act. After reading this article, you will witness these actions. That is, how members of the family of the President of Tajikistan, the founder of peace and unity, the Honourable Mister Iraqmonov, are planning terrorist acts against this people, against the citizens of Tajikistan. Medium-term development program of the Republic of Tajikistan for 2021-2025 contains E142